guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video, and if you're new to my channel, please do not forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification. Bell notification नहीं दबाओगे तो कैसे पता लगेगा that I'm putting out a new video, because there are a lot of people I do notify them in my WhatsApp group, but I do have family other than that also, and I love you guys. I am made because of you guys, and I don't know what am I supposed to do to get your love back and a trust back, but it's okay. I'm working hard. It will soon be on the track too. Okay, so today's video I'm going to talk about a product that I have always wanted to, but I was not able to find the right thing, and today I found the one. So today's video I am going to talk about Immunity Pro from Aadhar, and this is very important and has become very important in our life because of this whole pandemic situation and a corona thing, and we do not see any drop in the graph, and it's just becoming bad day by day. So I feel like Immunity Pro, and it's very important to build your immunity strong, because that's the one and only solution to fight corona. So I'm going to talk about this amazing thing that I have been consuming from last 2 weeks, and yes, without any further ado, let's just dive into the video. Okay, so now I'm going to talk about this product that is Immunity Pro, and Aadhar has actually given us a product that can actually help us build our immunity, and for the person like me, and I'm sure there are many more like me who always have to go to their workstation, or where they know that they can meet number of people, and it's really important for them to build their immunity really strong. And a person like me who knows if I have to go to work, I have to go for sourcing as well. I have my own studio for clothing, so there is a lot more that I deal with, and I have to really make sure that my immunity stays really strong. So I have started consuming this product from last a week, I guess week or more. It's been almost it's been 12 days that I have been using this. And the best thing about this is, भाई इंडिया में तो हमें इम्यूनिटी स्ट्रॉन्ग करने का सबसे अच्छा पॉइंट होता है हर्ब्स कंज्यूम करो, स्पाइसेस कंज्यूम करो, बट कितने हर्ब्स हम एक बार में यूज़ कर सकते हैं, एज इन कंज्यूम कर सकते हैं, इट्स डिफिकल्ट. वी डू नॉट हैव टाइम. हाउ डू वी टेक आउट डिफरेंट टाइम from a schedule, but there is a one and only solution for this, that is Immunity Pro capsule. So this has a lot of capsule. I can just show you. So they do have like a cotton, so that the capsules doesn't get wet or doesn't absorb any kind of moisturize in it. So I'll just show you. So they have a capsules like these. I mean, can you just see? So you're not just are supposed to just take it like this. No, there is a different way that I'm going to tell. So basically these capsules have a lot and lots of herbs in it, like ashwagandha, tulsi, amla, and I'll just tell you proper, giloy, and like there are so many herbs in just one capsule. You do not have to spare any different time for this. You do not have to take out a little time or something out of your schedule. It's just a minute and you are ready to have a strong immunity, and I really like it. It's not that it's tasting amazing, but yeah, taste के अलावा भी बहुत चीज़ें होती है that we need to do for our immunity, and that I have been doing from a week or more. So let me tell you actually how we're supposed to consume it. That you just take a capsule, open it in 1 glass of water. You have to take 2 capsules. Like you take 2 capsules, open in a glass of water, mix it, drink it, and you are ready to go for your whole day. And this is not the only process that you can build your immunity strong, but with this you also have to follow a schedule for having a good health and an active schedule. That is like you can do kind of yoga, meditation, whatever suits you from wherever suits you, but you definitely need to have it in your schedule. And giving time to yourself is just not bad. It's you who can protect yourself from any of the diseases, and your immunity actually works as a vital role in your life. So I feel like it's really important, and our herbs are magic for us, and I have been using this. And also they have a variety range of herbs where you can make your immunity strong, or if you're feeling really fatigued, they have another solution, another product for that. You can just check out my description box. I've left the link. You can click and you'll get the list of the products that you do have. Also, I have their Ayur Prash. This is something that my husband consumes on a daily basis. These things are even they are totally herbal. They are not harmful for your body. They are totally herbal because they have lots of herbs in it, no chemical, no preservatives, so it's a very good to use and a very good product. And this product is made in India, guys, and I've told you that this is 100% natural, no chemical, no preservative, and this is exactly the blend of it, that in one capsule you get everything, like it's the blend of everything. And obviously it's a health benefit, it's a totally health benefit. I think you should guys have it in your bag too. And yes, so this is it for today's video. If you like my video, please do not forget to hit the like and let me know in the comment section below that which product did you buy for yourself, and if there is anything else that I can help you with. And thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, just take care. See you soon. Bye.